Greetings to the honorable judges. We are from Team Trans Youth Visionaries from a high school in Jakarta, SMA Negeri 60, Jakarta. And we are here bringing you a topic on social sciences, comparison of JakLingko, Wahana Kalpika, and Purimas Jaya after being integrated into the JakLingko program. But before I start the presentation, we would like to present to you our video.
JakLingko's public transportation program has changed the city's transportation landscape, including involving JakLingko microtrans owners in significant changes to their operations. This paper aims to compare between the Wahana Kalpika Cooperative and the Purimas Jaya Cooperative after being involved in the JakLingko integration program in DKI Jakarta. Through this research, we gathered data about the details of operations, systems, and facilities obtained and run while joining the JakLingko integration program. We identified deficiencies of local governments so as to achieve minimum service standards. Research shows that cooperative operations tend to vary. One cooperative has a qualified salary system and facilities such as the Wahana Kalpika Cooperative, while the others may face concerns in fuel subsidies, high rejuvenation costs, disorderly drivers such as the Purimas Jaya Cooperative, which is a challenge in developing the JakLingko program and equalizing service quality. Other than that, we found that the impact of the JakLingko integration program can also be felt by JakLingko owners and their drivers in social and economic aspects, including changes in the way of working and relationship with the passengers. This paper provides important insights in the evaluation of Transjakarta's integration program and effort to improve mobility in densely populated urban environments. The result of this study can act as the basis for formulating more effective and sustainable policy recommendations in an effort to increase the satisfaction of JakLingko microtrans owners and other relevant stakeholders in the context of public transportation in DKI Jakarta.
So first things first, what is the JakLingko program? JakLingko is a public transportation program, integration program, having microtrans as one of the solutions from the government to face traffic, especially in Jakarta. This provides the citizens affordable yet efficient access to commute. Unit owners are managed within certain cooperatives. This brings us to our issue. Owner satisfactions apparently serves an important role in determining JakLingko's positive impact. But there are reported to be several complaints from microtrans owners, especially in Purimas Jaya, after joining JakLingko's integration program. The technological innovation, firstly, the Wahana Kalpika Cooperative gave an enthusiastic response, gained positive impacts and benefits for, firstly, fleet unit owners, and secondly, JakLingko owners, drivers. And second, Purimas Jaya Cooperative. We gained a negative response caused by concerns and objections towards demands from Transjakarta by means that burden owners by inaccurate fuel subsidies and second, expensive rejuvenation costs. Applicability and utility. We found differences in salary systems and sanctioning systems. For salary systems, in 2016 and 2017, units get 4,400 rupiahs per kilometer, and latest units in 2023 gets 4,936 rupiahs per kilometer. Credit funds costing around 500 million rupiahs per person with tenors from 3 to 5 years. And then, sanctioning systems differ by Wahana Kalpika and Purimas Jaya. Wahana Kalpika gives sanctions by work suspensions and Wahana and Purimas Jaya give sanctions by means of fines. And so, why is it important for us to study this? We can help provide a multi-perspective view about the issue and how to solve them. And then, offer an applicable solution point to achieve uniform service standards for passengers. For our goals and benefits, firstly, our goals. Compare operation systems to obtain a uniform service standard for passengers. And secondly, our benefit is to increase the number of integrated transportation systems in DKI Jakarta. And our methodology for this research, We did a qualitative and comparative study as designed, with data deriving from interviews that were done in August until October 2023 at Wahana Kalpika and Purimas Jaya. And then our research instruments are our informants. Firstly, our main informant is Mr. RF, Chairman of Purimas Jaya Cooperative, key informant Mr. RD as Vice Chairman of Purimas Jaya Cooperative, and Mr. S as Head of Wahana Kalpika Cooperative Work Unit in South Jakarta. And lastly, our supporting informant are Mr. MFP and Mr. AA as the owner of JakLingko. This research data management was carried out in several stages and analyzed by content analysis methods. Data collection began with literature study and interviews, and finally, data triangulation by respondents was carried out. And based on our research, we have concluded a result, and we found differences in Wahana Kalpika and Purimas Jaya Cooperative. This includes a negative response by unit owners in Purimas feeling burned by demands of Transjakarta, also inaccuracies in subsidies, whereas Wahana Kalpika has a more systematic along with effective approach in managing wages, welfare insurance, and also subsidy coverage. This generated an enthusiastic output. And then for our research, the expectations are, firstly, that the government is able to establish clear rules and regulations related to business owners and JakLingko. Second, to review variables accounted for JakLingko programs such as traffic congestions that may affect to exceeding fuel consumptions. With the end of this presentation, we are bringing you to the interview documentation pages with Mr. S, Mr. RF, and Mr. RD, and then our reference page. And with this, Team Trans Youth Visionaries, thank you very much.